Welcome to Universal! Alright guys, we made it to the Hello Kitty and Betty Boop store. The park is actually kind of crowded today because there's some sort of like cheerleading convention going on. Just checking out the Windows displays right now. But it's odd because the park is actually kind of crowded, but as soon as we walk into this store, there's pretty much only 2 people in here right now. So that's kind of weird. Hello Kitty backpacks. Hello Kitty lunchbox. Hello Kitty slippers. Hello Kitty umbrellas. Hello Kitty pinks. Hello Kitty nightlights. Hello Kitty pajamas. Hello Kitty everything. I like the built-in shelves, they're really cool. Alright, so here's the old Twister Ride building, and it's pretty much gutted. I'm sure you've heard this from several people by now. It's pretty much entirely gone. But they're also building this structure over here, which I'm assuming is going to be bathrooms. They haven't actually torn down the structure of this building yet, and that is because, in my theory, here's my personal theory, they have not torn down the structure of this building yet because I think they're going to make sure that all the framework here, all the exposed metal here, has no rot or rust or anything like that. They're going to fix it up, and then this is going to be just resurfaced and have a all brand new interior, and they're not going to have to tear down the structure because I think it's just going to be a screen. Let me show you. Alright, so if you guys can see in here, this back wall here is massive on the inside, and I think that is going to be the screen wall back in here, and all the Kuka seats or whatever kind of seats they're going to put in here are going to be in here, and then the loading zone or the queue line will be back in the old building where it was for Twister originally. So that is my thoughts. They're just going to fix up the building, resurface it, and have it completed by next summer. From this angle you guys can see a little bit better how massive this interior wall is. It goes all the way up to the ceiling, can't really see the bottom. But this is just my theory. Do you guys know, like, why else would they not be tearing the whole entire building down like they did for Disaster? Alright, I know I'm doing a lot of construction update videos lately, or like update videos in general, but I mean that's kind of like what season we're in currently. But you guys can see right here how much construction really is going on at Universal. It's quite amazing how fast they work. But this is exactly what I'm saying, like, look at this building is completely gone. If you don't know, this used to be the Beetlejuice stage and Disaster, and it's completely gone. There's little remnants of it over there, but it's pretty much completely gone. Basically, the Twister building is nowhere near like this. They've left their foundation and everything up, so I'm assuming that they're just going to resurface, reframe it, I guess. I don't know the technical construction term, but that's what I think they're going to do, because this one's completely gone. Looks like the news is filming something right above us right now. I wonder what it could be. There's going to be a busy weekend for Universal. They got some sort of cheerleading competition going on. As I said before, here's the tent to tell us what it is. Tell your story. I'm not really sure what it is. NDA Nationals. I don't know what that is. You guys know what wall this is? It's the wall to NBA City. Can you hear that? That is construction work going on. This building has been stagnant for quite some time. I'm trying to get you guys a better view. Not there. But this building has been quite stagnant for some time now, and it sounds like they're finally doing some work on it. Yep, they're definitely doing work on it. They have a forklift here holding a dumpster. The windows are out over here, so they're gutting it finally. They got some new plaster on the wall inside there, so they have plans for it, I guess. I hope so. I wonder what it'll be. Alright, on to Islands of Adventure. Nothing yet coming out of the launch tunnel from Hulk, but any day now I assume that they will, because back here, if you guys can see, it looks like they're pretty much done. Let me get a better angle. Ooh, look at that, what a crazy view. Man, that's really cool. So, I mean, it looks like they have the whole back half down here done, and they're working their way up front here. So fun fact, I just counted the bolt holes, and it takes 26 bolts to connect the rails together for a coaster. Or at least this one. You guys can just barely see over this wall right here. A little bobcat's digging up something, so work is being done constantly here at Universal. Who wants to play a quick game of Find the Artist Signature in the drawings here at Superhero Island? Can you guys find it? 5 seconds. It's right here. Adam, can you guys see that? Right there. Fun fact, in all of the drawings here, all the superhero drawings, the guy Adam drew his name in hidden in all of the drawings he did. So I think there's one of those signatures in every single one of the character sketches in there, but some of them get really tricky. I don't know if he like really fastly scribbled his name or what. I could spend a whole day looking at those though. These people are crazy. It's too cold for that. They're wearing hoodies and they're on a water ride. That's funny. More crazy people getting soaked. So right here is Kong. Over here is like the main entrance over here. This is like the side entrance by Dudley Do-Right. And right over here, right here to the right, in these bushes right here, there's a security guard hiding in the bushes, so I can't even go near that fence. Kinda weird. Look at this is so cool. Pretty amazing. Looks like they got all the light fixtures in. They got some more bamboo here that they have to unwrap. They got more lights back there. There's skulls over here, right there. I mean, it's really coming along fast. Alright, so here it is from the top of Camp Jurassic. You can see here is the exit or entrance for a ride vehicle. Right here, down here, is the path that it'll be on. I think that center part right there is going to be kind of like a track type deal. I'm not sure if the cars are going to free drive on it or if it's going to be on a track. I don't see any tracks, but it looks like they're still working. There's people in there. Still stuff to be done. There's skulls out all over the place. Looks like all the lights are done. They're on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's lights up here. So I'm assuming over here is going to be the loading bay. So you guys can see the skulls over here. You guys can see the skulls over here, and there's some kind of netting. So I'm thinking that's going to be the loading area, and there's probably going to be fans in there, hopefully, to keep us cool. And then I would assume this building right here with the flat top is going to be the store. And Jurassic is down for its annual maintenance as well. You can see it better from here. It has no water on the tracks right now. It'd be cool if they could run this as a roller coaster. That'd be awesome. How cool would it be if they left the water out and put a Jeep on those tracks? That'd be awesome. I've never seen this before. I'm over at, actually right in front of Dudley Do Rides, and this is like a little Minions cart. Does this not look like the Men in Black ride car gun? It's got the little side thing and the microphone thing where the speaker is. It's just like it. Alright guys, I am heading out now. It's about 3:30. I didn't want to hit the 5 o'clock traffic, so I'm gonna leave now. It's kind of a short day, but if you guys liked the signature spottings in Marvel's Superhero Island, I will be making a separate video with no talking. It's just the pictures of the sketches of each superhero or villain and where the signatures are. Kind of like a little mini game. I'm going to be posting that, so I'll probably link it, put it in the bio down below. So look for that. If you guys want to do that, check it out. I'll put that on my channel. So really fun day. I'm going to go home now and edit these videos. So I will see you guys next time. Where we go from here is up to you. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Oh yeah, and don't forget,
the moving walkway exit is approaching. Please watch your step.